Hey there shaving enthusiasts, are you tired of dealing with razor rash and razor burn every time you shave? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to avoid those pesky irritations by using the right post-shave products, whether it be for your face or your body. So let's get into it. Shaving burn sucks. I know, because I suffered from it for years. Even worse is the rash that can develop over the next few hours. It got so bad that I would shave before bed rather than first thing in the morning when I got up, in the hopes the rash would not be so noticeable. Some products helped. I used Ten Skin, which would sting like a you-know-what and reduce the rash by about 50%. I also found that using a BHA toner directly after shaving helped perhaps by 30%. So while I'll be demonstrating these products on my face, they are equally suited to those who shave other parts of their body. And this isn't a sponsored video. Any products featured were bought with my own money. Now, let's get straight to the point. Shaving is an art, and mastering it requires more than just a razor and some shaving cream. With the rise of shaving techniques and products, it's essential to stay updated on the latest advancements to achieve that smooth, irritation-free shave we all crave. So, before we look at the holy grail products that I've been using, it's worth reminding ourselves of how to properly prepare the skin and focus on the shaving technique. First off, let's talk about the importance of prepping your skin before shaving. A hot shower or warm towel can do wonders in softening your beard and opening up your pores, making it easier for the razor to slide smoothly across the skin. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of razor rash and irritation. And let's not forget about the power of exfoliation. Incorporating an exfoliating scrub into your skincare routine a few times a week can help prevent ingrown hairs and keep your skin smooth and bump free. Just be sure to choose a gentle exfoliator to avoid aggravating your skin further. Now, onto the shaving technique. Undoubtedly the best method of obtaining a super smooth shave is the wet shaving method, which involves using a traditional safety razor or, if you're feeling brave, a straight razor, along with a high quality shaving brush and shaving soap. Not only does this technique provide a closer shave, but it also minimises the irritation by lifting the hairs away from the skin, resulting in less tugging and pulling. However, whilst I will always encourage you to use a dual-edged safety razor, if you're new to shaving or are continually struggling to get a shave-free rash, you may want to use cartridge razors to begin. Cartridge razors are super forgiving of technique. Just try to pick a proven brand such as Wilkinson Sword and stick with 2 or 3 blade versions. 5 blades seem appealing, but the first couple of blades are pulling that hair up and the other blades are cutting the hair incredibly close to the skin or sometimes slightly below it. The immediate result feels amazing, but you are likely to suffer from razor burns and ingrowing hairs and bumps. More is not always better. But no matter which shaving technique you prefer, the real secret to preventing razor rash and razor burn lies in your post-shave routine. This is where the magic happens, folks. Investing in the right post-shave products can make all the difference in the world. Gone are the days when us men would splatter our jaw and neck with aftershave. Yes, we smelt nice, but the alcohol in the aftershave would sting like hell and dry out the skin. Now, there are dozens of post-shave products on the market, and honestly, I've lost count of the ones I've tried, and in most cases, they didn't really help. Unlike traditional alcohol-based aftershaves, which can dry out your skin and exacerbate irritation, aftershave balms are packed with soothing ingredients like aloe vera, witch hazel, vitamin E to calm and hydrate your skin post-shave. From drugstore-owned brands, which I generally found underwhelming, to dedicated shaving brands like Perezzo, which definitely work well, and there are so many choices. However, after trialing so many over the years, I finally found that one that is 50% of my holy grail. Only 50%? Yes. I'll get to that later. The product I use is the Cremo Cooling Post-Shave Balm. It's available in 2 versions, Sensitive Skin and Refreshing Mint, both of which come in a 4 fluid ounce or 118ml bottle. So obviously I would get the Sensitive Skin version, right? Well, that was the plan, but a misclick when ordering meant I got the Refreshing Mint version by mistake. And I was concerned that the menthol might be irritating to my fussy skin, but it's actually been no issue at all. In fact, I love the cooling effect it has. The balm includes a healthy dose of shea butter that gives a super smooth feel to the skin, along with baobab seed oil and tamanu seed oil. I had to look these 2 oils up, and I found that the first is used to calm eczema and psoriasis, being rich in vitamin A, D, E and F, and omega fatty acids, and the second having moisturising properties, providing a small amount of UV protection and also to help dry and flaky skin. This product stands head and shoulders above other balms that I've tried, and it's also super affordable, being just $8 in the US and around $19 here in Australia. It's a small bottle, but as you only need to use a pea-sized amount, it actually lasts a very long time. I said earlier that this is 50% of my holy grail. That's because I mix it with a second product, Bump Eraser. This was one of those impromptu buys when I was browsing Amazon. It wasn't a product I'd heard of, and I've certainly not seen it mentioned by other skincare content creators. Seemingly being unknown, I wasn't expecting too much, but this product is amazing. I used to regularly get ingrown hairs around my neck which looked unsightly. They often ended up looking worse than they should because I would pick at them with tweezers or scratch them subconsciously as they itched. I'm pretty sure, in fact I'm certain I've not had even a single ingrowing hair in the last 6 months I've been using this product. It costs $20 here in Australia, and just like the balm, will easily last a couple of months. I simply add a small amount of the paste to the aftershave balm, mix it in my hands and then apply. It feels so nice in application as you gently massage it into the skin. Once absorbed, the skin feels amazing and it's ready for your normal moisturiser and, unless shaving before bed, obviously a quality sunscreen. So there you have it, folks. By incorporating 2 products, I've been able to say goodbye to razor rash and razor burn for good and not suffer from ingrown hairs. Shaving should be an enjoyable experience, not a painful one. So if you're struggling as I was, I recommend you invest in these 2 amazing products. Invest in your skin and see how well they can work out for you. And if you've managed to find your own holy grail for avoiding razor bumps and burns, don't forget to put it in the comment section below to help others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more shaving tips and tricks. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy shaving.